Hey guys, it is Brittany Winnery and
Amy Adcock
with the Wolek Group at Keller Williams in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And today we are in Broken Arrow and we wanted to share a fabulous listing with you guys. So let's go on a walking tour.
Yay.
So as we come out here, the first thing you're going to notice is we are inside of a cul-de-sac, which is awesome. And as we turn around, this home has a 3-car garage. It is basically brand new. It was built in 2015. So the roof is brand new. All the units, the HVAC, AC are all new. They've got some great landscaping. Super cute. And this brick is absolutely beautiful. You've got to see it in person. It's so pretty. So let's head on inside. We've got a great front porch area. Super cute. And then as we head inside, we've got this great entry with beautiful tile. And as we walk in, we've got these great bonus room spaces. So we have an office. Lots of natural light, vaulted ceilings. And then we have another bonus space here, which could service as a formal dining or a playroom. Super cute. And then the layout of this home. So you have a couple options. You can go left here to the guest bedrooms and guest bathroom and the garage, or you can go upstairs to a game room and a bedroom. Or you can go to the main living areas. So let's go and check out the main living areas. We've got a half bathroom, which is awesome. And then as we come around here, you're going to see the beautiful kitchen, living, and dining space. It's really open, nice wide hallways, beautiful cabinets, upgraded appliances, really great kitchen layout with storage. And then we've got this great living room space with natural light. Again, the big tall ceilings. And we have the backyard, door to the backyard, which we'll check out here in a minute, and also the dining room space. Over here to the left is the laundry room. And then when we're in here, we can go to the master bedroom over there to the left, or we can go to the guest bedroom. So let's go check out the master real quick. So the master bedroom is very large. Neutral paint throughout the entire home. We've got this great master bathroom with double vanities. Great big shower. Huge closet. Another vanity. And then as we come out here, we're going to walk across to the hallway with the guest bedrooms. And so down this hallway, we have guest bedroom number 1, which is a great size. Awesome closet and window. We have full bath for guests. And then we have guest bedroom number 2. Again, great size. And a good sized closet. We've got garage. And then we're back to the front of the home. So let's head on upstairs and check out the game room, bedroom, and full bath. This home has 4 bedrooms total and 3.5 bathrooms. So here is the large game room. We've got the full bathroom. And then we have the bedroom upstairs. Which is a great size. And then let's go check out the backyard. This home is really awesome. It sits on like a 0.32 acre lot, which is very large for a neighborhood. And the cool part is all of that space is in the backyard. So it really adds a lot of value. So we've got this great back patio, which is covered. And then check out the tree line back there. How beautiful is that to have trees as your neighbors? We've got this huge tree for shade. And then let's just take a look at the backyard. So we've got the space over here, which is awesome. We've got all of this space. And then the crazy part is over here, like it keeps going. It is massive. Such a huge backyard. So for more information on this property, contact the Wolek Group, or my cell phone number is 918-698-0661.